Guardian Plumbing is a family-owned and operated service and repair company that's been in business since 2010. We went into business because there was an inherent problem that we discovered in the plumbing service industry between large corporate companies and small family-owned operations. In a family-owned operation, you had that personal touch. Everybody knew everybody's names, and you're able to just really give them that customer experience. However, a lot of times you lack the proper equipment, the training to keep up on the latest things in the industry, things of that nature, where when you go to a larger company, you have access to all that equipment, the training, the personnel, everything that you need, but you lose a little bit of that personal touch. We're in the people business. That means caring about each individual customer. It means really getting to know them, taking the time to find out what their individual needs are so that we can service them to the best of their situation.
I love interacting with customers. It's really awesome to help people out. I love the fact that we can fix that issue, fix that problem, and they can go right about their business the next day.
At Guardian Plumbing, we're really passionate about having our guys be very knowledgeable and skilled, but also combining that with great customer service. So we spend a lot of time investing in our employees to make sure that they have the latest technology available so that they can better serve our customers, but also giving great customer service at all times by interacting with everyone as if they're family.
At Guardian, service is very, very important to us. Definitely detail-oriented, company-oriented. It's a family-based business. Everyone here is family. Everyone here has known each other for years. It's a very relaxing atmosphere.
We do everything from the smallest faucet drip to full home repipes. That's part of how we built our company, on having the right equipment and the training, and really focusing on the customer's needs.
We love serving our community, and we're really passionate about helping the military, so we support Wounded Warriors in Operation Homefront.
Our long-term goal as a company is to continue to grow, but we want to grow through each individual customer being happy and satisfied and referring us to a neighbor. We also want to grow through our team members by having happy, well taken care of employees, and them referring us out to other people in the industry that really want to just work at a place that has a good culture and takes care of their people. And if we really take care of those two avenues, we feel that the company will just naturally grow within the community.